This is
tour.
Louise, and you are now following us into our dreams.
Take number 102.
It's only take number 3.
Yeah.
I'm just nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know.
What are you afraid of? Trolls,
Yeah.
haters.
Very afraid. No, real trolls.
Real trolls?
Yeah. Like the trolls that might live under those rocks over there.
Yeah.
I'm really afraid of those.
We live in Scandinavia and we got trolls, man.
Yeah.
Real
Real
trolls.
living trolls.
Yeah. But they usually stay inside during the daytime. So I'm not too worried.
Yeah. No, we want to talk to you about our dream. Firstly, we want to move to a warmer place.
Warmer climate.
Yeah, because it's really, really
Yeah, well,
cold.
we live in
And-
Denmark, and I know it's not the coldest place on earth, but
It's like very grey and
I mean,
rainy.
look at the
and-
sky. This is summertime. It doesn't get better than this. Really, this is the best it gets.
Yeah, it's very grey and very
How many days of summer have we got? It's now the
like 2.5 weeks.
yeah. It's 7th of August right now, and we have like 2 weeks of summer, and we have the lowest sunshine count in 100 years or something.
Yeah, something
Yeah.
like that.
The lowest hours of sun in the last couple of 100 years.
Yeah, and our summer usually starts in May, so it's like 3 months where we should have had summer. We have just had rain and
Just
and
imagine
cold
a
and-
grey blob.
yeah.
Just greyness. And I mean, we're not London. We don't want greyness.
No, we want to move to a warmer and a lighter and a more colorful climate.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we want to not live like people usually live in the society. We want something different.
Yeah.
We want more freedom, and we don't want to be afhængig. Økonomisk afhængig.
Financial dependent.
Yeah. And we want to
We want financial independence.
yeah.
Yeah.
And we are both very spiritual people, and we want to live in a way where we can make that a part of our daily routine. Yeah. And we want to make this a place where others also can come and
Play.
play and just be, let go of all the pressure and the stress of society, and just be, just relax and meditate and be creative and walk, and yeah, eat things in a lot of different colors and
In a way,
Yeah.
in a funny way, we seek both more simplicity but also more expansion. You can say that the usual Western life, a 9-to-5 job, 40 hours a week work, that's a very simple living in a way that you work, you go home, you eat, you sleep, and you watch some TV. But we we seek another kind of simple living where we live with harmony with nature and live on and off the land, where we grow our own food, we live in our houses that we build ourselves. We are not dependent on supplied electricity because we want to use solar and wind and water energy. You know, in a freedom from the established society, you could say, but we want to create our own society. We don't want to be hermits on a hill.
No.
We imagine this like 20, 40 people at least in one place.
Yeah, and we wanna build earthships and live in those because they're I don't know what
Awesome?
it's called. Yeah, they're awesome, and it's like it's a way to to live with the nature, to
100% recycle.
yeah, instead of just shitting on nature all the time.
Bears shouldn't shit on nature.
Yeah.
Take that, nature.
Not that literally, but actually, use nature. No, not use. Yes, use instead of abusing nature. Yeah. That was what I was.
Journey. We enter the magical forest. Nah, too scary.